to another day in my life! Woo! Guys, it's already 12:59 of December 19. And today, guys, magpapalit ako ng... Magpapalit ako ng iba-background ko dito sa phone ko. Ito pala, guys. Ito yung stickers or yung maabubot or anik-anik na nakalagay dito sa phone ko. Ayan yung... Tadaan! Ayan. Ayan pala si tofu, guys. Pepper, yung Christmas tree namin. Sorry guys, medyo makalat. Kasi makalat talaga ang tao. Wala kayong magagawa. Ito yung mga Polaroid. If I want to put a Polaroid sa phone ko. Tapos ito yung mga stickers. Flowers, if I want to put flowers. Actually, pwede. This one. Dragon's Breath. Ito pala guys. Bigay pala ito ni Bryza May Reason. Shit it. Yun lang gagawin ko guys. And I'll keep you guys updated. Excuse me po. Yan, yon. Mas kita ba kapag ganito? I have here tweezers. And ito yung cellphone ko, guys. Phone case! Bigay pala to ni Yana, guys. Nahulog to, kaya yan may basag yan. Tapos nawala yung beads. Tapos dilinisan ko na din yung phone case ko, guys. Pero di na ako magaganto, guys. Kasi baka mamaya mabasag ulit siya. Hi guys, I finished. So it says here.
Hello, I am Nita Pugs Pisces because that is my zodiac. Pagod na so much. Involve, or in our church, it's campus ministry. Yeah. Maleficent and Pikachu, and may the odds be in your favor.
And I'm watching Dynamite's Kiss. Dynamite Kiss. Ah! And you guys better watch it. No spoilers from me. I have yet to pack my bag for our retreat later. I'm also eating piatos pala to keep me going. And I might clean my kalat. Oh yeah, come with me. Oh guys, and I forgot to mention, I have a sugat pala here. Kasi I was trying to catch Ryan's phone. Eh, binato-bato ka ba naman kasi ni Kentao, yung phone ni Ryan. He was filming like this. And then bigla niyang ginanon. So ako, natakot ako sa phone ni Ryan. Kasi phone ni Ryan. So I had to ganon. Yun, that's why I have this sugat here. Straight. Pepper, not now. So, how I will pack my towel. Kasama ka? Sige, sama ko sa akin ha. Guys, I'm packing Pepper pala. For retreat. Ulit mo eh. And what I'm wearing pala sa first day, I'll be wearing sa last day. So, yung pants ko, same lang. But I will bring extra shorts. So, basta good for summer. Summery. And then, I'm not sure if mag-rush guard na ako sa loob. Parang hindi bagay, guys. Hindi siya bagay. Gets niyo pa yung vision. So, let's pack my clothes. So, I might wear slippers na lang kasi, girl, it's only an overnight. No need to style. Though it's a good resort. Drink your water, guys. Mine. Dara the Explorer and Boots. Oh yeah. I have here, first storage bags. Wala na yung size large. Pack my... Ano pa nga ba? Ipapack ko. clothes. May pambahays. I'm sure you saw this already. Multiple times. I think, muna ko itong pinakita sa TikTok ko. Pero kasi naka-private na lahat ng videos ko sa TikTok. This is my dad's actually. My grandma bought this for my dad. When we were younger, we used to have these pajamas na laging binibili sa Baclaran. But, you know, since lolo ko ngayon bumibili nga ng mga ganito nga sa amin. Girl, she's old already and she doesn't have work anymore. So she doesn't have any time to go to Baclaran and shop for herself. So, wala na kami ganito. Ganitong pambahay. Yay! It's still filming, but I have yet to film for tomorrow. So, future Ashley, speed this up, please! Wait, before you speed things up, diba, we're making tupe. You have your pants. Syempre, fold mo din tong pantaas. Sorry guys, ako narinig yung dynamites guys. Pero guys, mainit, so magpapahang na ako. Okay, I paused them first. Kasi I wanted you guys to see this muna. What I'm doing. And for you to hear me guys. So, ito, di ba, yan. You have your pambahay here. You fold it. Fold it again. And then, syempre, ipo-fold mo siya, di ba? Fold lang kayo dyan, ganyan. Ito, make sure papantay mo yan. Actually, baligtad. Let's do this again. Baligtad. Start here. And then here, here. And then, pasok mo siya dito sa garter. Now you have this. It's folded. Pero syempre, if gagawin nyo to, tapos nakapack kayo, naliligo kayo sa gabi, syempre, lagyan nyo na ng undies, ng socks, or whatever you like to put inside it. Parang nakaganto na siya, oh. Tapos pwede mo pa siya i-fold, oh. Space saver. Pero since one night lang naman, baka magdala na lang ng eco bag. Never mind, y'all. I have my plastics here. Wait. Anyway. Yes. I do Ziplocs. Para kapag madumi, naka-Ziploc na. Nakahiwalay na. See? I packed it already. Pero wala pa akong extra shirt here. I'll be packing the shirt. Peanuts. A friend is someone who likes the same music you like. Hi guys, I'm eating pizza right now. It's leftover pizza.
Dati po yung po sa bracket kasi ipon po sana ako.
Hi guys, I'll be putting on sunscreen already, and then I'll be picking up my sister sa other house. Yan. Hindi lang tayo sunscreen kasi nga diba nagpapil ako, and you should always wear your sunscreen guys. It's so hot today. Kung magets yung araw. I forgot to shake it pala. Isang finger. Lagay ko lang siya sa face ko, sa eyes, sa nose, sa forehead, sa ears, ante sa lips. Yan. And then sa yung rest sa neck. Okay, let's fetch Shobe sa house. Pala si Mamita guys. Mamita is my lola. She's making potato salad. May ganyan siya haircut kasi madami is yung hair namin na pupunta sa puso. Si Chiki guys. Yan! Mas kita guys, right? Mas kita, tama. So, punta tayo ngayon sa... Sundin mo natin si Shubebe. And then, we will go na sa grocery. So, Guys, medyo nape-pressure ako doon. Hi guys, nandito na pala yung kapatid ko. Say hi! Basta nandito na siya. Wala ka na talaga nakakalimutan ha. Jacket, pantulog.
Ito. Kasi feel ko pag umaalis ako may nalilimutan ako eh.
Piti ka kasi gumawa ng checklist.
Gumawa naman. Mahal mag-GSM, hindi yun katulad ng Grab. Bro, dala niya si Sharky.
Guys, on the way to church kami. Change of plans. Hindi kami sa Chowking.
Hayang!
Good news up! Good news up! Ano ba?
Yung circus na yun doon. Mga nagpapapicture ah.
Ayoko na. I wanna go home. Let's go home. Let's go home! Ah! Nakaganin na. Like, nakaganin. Para lang mag-cash.
Kami nang lumag eh. Kasi nabibilang lang. No pala.
We're at Treats. Treats. Si Sharky. Si Lilibet. Si Adrian. Si Miguel. Si Darrell.
It's me. It's me. It's me. It's me.
I don't know how that came out.
Tapos dalawang big rooms.
Dalawang big rooms, may isa pang smaller room.
More people.
Ay, grabe, Charles! Ano to? Nagsarili ka! Nagsarili ka!
Tinabi ko nga yan.
Hindi na ka pa, Charles!
Bilang kayo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 ka magkuskus. 4 ka Harvey. 6 po. Ilan na 6 na kayo? 7 kayo? 7. Okay. 7 times 4. 28.
Ano mo gagawin niya kay Chelsea?
Let's go!
Are we always gonna do
Ayun, may transition ng words. Okay. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng retreat? Ikaw ay...
Gusto mo ba?
Okay.
Mag-iisahan na tayo.
This is a video.
Yay! Kareem!
All bow our heads and pray. Pinag-uusapan ha. Kami ang ganyan. I love everything about me. I hate you. To Adrian. From Adrian.
Say hi.
Grabe, nakakatakot dito. Madalas pala.
laman ng loob kakabato nyo kay Jello. Ako, tingnan niyo ako. Watch me. Joke. Hindi.
Patawid. Uy, patawid talaga.
Jetro. Sorry, be. Mamiss ko lang siguro si Video. Thank you. Abili. Gusto ko may bounce pa. Thank you! Ikaw na! Thank you. So, hi guys. Dito tayo ngayon. And mostly na mga tao is tulog pa. We're making them. Morning guys! Rise and shine! Anyway, nanggigising sila ng mga peeps nila. What can you say to the people?
Life's too short to take things for granted. Do what you want. Go grab a coffee with your crush.
Wow.
Jello, what can you say to the people?
Walang tulog. Good morning.
To the people? Who's the people? Yes, hi guys.
Ano? Is it supposed to be upside down? Anong dapat tingnan ko dito? Video! Di kami natulog. Akala ko yung sticker.
So, bebe.
Hindi, bawal siya.
Ayaw ko pala. Wala na.
Sige?
Nag-handmade ka.
Oo nga,
Wala
asan
na.
sige?
Wala na. Hindi na to valid. Okay na.
Akin na.
Wala na
Palitan.
yan. Mo ba? Hindi, ito sige.
Ako na. Hindi na.
Jello.
Narinig kayo dyan?
No. Absolutely not.
Sino na?
Ako na.
Dapat ka kasi ng aircon, Jello. What is bro doing?
Okay, priests.
Alamin ka muna yung sa ano.
Sino?
Si Zara na.
Jelly ka daw.
Agad ako.
Wait lang, sino hulaan niya?
Ganyan talaga pagpa-humble.
Who you gonna... Feeling ko nandito yung princess. Feeling ko na sa'yo.
Patingin ako mga card nyo. May kisali na lang ako.
I'm so tired and I'm dying. I have so much allergy.
Sabi ka kay What can you say to the people? Blanco na siya. Di ba napaka...
Ikaw, Sharon.
So fun. So... godly.
Coco. What can you say to the people? What can you say? Sa retreat natin.
It was fantastico.
Ah.